Mwanchumurano butkobu yaburitweri gari ya Ijumaa tariki 15 cy'umutinyigo 11 umwaka wiga namangabirga kwanekigwa kurwase county ito ya Kisii county ya Nyamira wiki county ya Nairobi kingaki Irombe Ntangani asegati yaborokigwa bari bagenderete amuna amatemo abamanekirasi 12 KCSE niko bakora amatemo aboritkoria rero kingaki abange bagenderete amuna amatemo abo goika Kenya Kukwarigania ase ekionga chinsa ibere cy'ubutkubu rero kumanyi alliance yabirga kwanekigwa kurwa achinsemo imena isko yorgonguro gusi nyoranga boyigwa sobutkubu rero senkwana yagetembe niko turachunyaka batukumurekera alliance ganti kwanekigwa kurwa se county ya Kisii igoro yobomo obomo wo mugusi abo astogo chunyaka batugotwara Moske Dennis Orioki nyakabatukorgeria ayo munanda mange kukwarigana nchenko kwa Kevin Onkoba kabana nchoi kwa mole Ekionga chinsa ibere nigo togo chaka korwa ase county ya Nyamira monengana yogoichania nigo abamenyi korwa ase kenyorokia Mutagara kigotoka ase ward ya Bosamaro ebunge ya West Mugirango county ya Nyamira nigo babukano muichano maiga yomongina bwe myaka emenge nyakabogotoka gesungetie ase ensemejo Kolengana amuno mugambi bwe sublocation ya Mutagara niganya ko bokwanekia abwase boigo babere bakubolia abantu kinga kibatware ibirengeryo kwaneki ngonyora bare oboseme ligwetankuru ase bikole bingamune biga roboti oruo nigo rwariganirwa no muliketo Fred Agari
Igajete saa 10 mwane maragonga ona mami nali omwana oyajicha mwane okondangeria
Omongino yogo bwate myaka 53 nigo batiganite litukuligoro amona bamate kurende chinga kya chete nyomba mwaje onde tayo ochete komanyanga nkerengeriki abwate
ngetima yetie kerengereri ajete koira kiagerega ntebe timinaga kagana kurira obori akamenya ntebe no tara kora obori ochoge Jumapili ochoji chorusi obori abana banyorera nguri inki Akiyomongino yoga chitageita
aka 53 nigo batiganite litukuligoro amona bamate kurende chinga kya chete nyomba mwaje onde tayo ochete komanyanga nkerengeriki abwate
Olengana neli uko twanyorira se omuko igori abere lyogoichana mono kero kende naba mugusia tebetenga nabo abana bagusali na inde omane nabo bakwaberu omwana oyoye okurukurobini omaya nembolinga na ire twase ari gukora egasi na inde akanyaraka bagako gosororo ebenga engerie yiga ari goje gwakana nerarora yabete nene kero kende bwe ogera bweita
kurengana no mugambi bwe sublocation y'Enchoro Richard Mwenche Ogichana nigabaga korera iguru yeliruba Rusia se omuguko boyanga yaje buna omwano ye Robin amochandire birengerero kubwatakana no gutama kwaye korunka eliyo gwetanga tabe kubyara asebono nonye no mugambi ababolirie abantu bonse gwetanga ne birengerero binge nabo igoko bolyo bosemya korwa sonde eligwe konya na kwerusana ne korwa se birengerero bine bibe byo kweita
ono oikire kora ale bwado bese abantu baitonga ikaro mu itinyano gwe birengerero gire Ose kare birengero byabiri ibe neganirie at least abantu basanga ibirengero byamuna abantu bamwabo irinde basemania asobia na abantu mbako na cheki nabuneke igara mumina eleni anachire gitariki ya se kenyoro so nale wadu ese abantu baita bana karulingana ria chire buneli tema koliyo bokonyi gotera na se cyo biskito nani nzabo to ko basemia
sabayo mento sure asengencho mongino yararire na ande yabwene tuju karanse ni family oi karanse mokwana mangana ye family kipamoja elinda twansi pito twaro morembe omwana irobini acha kweningi na kiagera ngina garirete otango montogerire na asirire robini ona isenge njara ire siko atana kororoka na sama tukayonzi
ginko ripota regetembe kurwa se kinyorugia Enchoro sublocation ya gotoka Mutagara godia Bosamaro bunge ya West Mugirango ime county ya Nyamira inche Freddy Agari
Timu ya munasana muliketo Fred Agari na roboti rwa senchera yobo kirenu Dokwirana ase county ya Kisii litko liarero nigo omujumbe okitutu chache noto Moske Jafet Mukanya kundi nyakoboko bolia abayiboli kolenda abana babo kinga kyekiga barasomutumuko bwerusa eligwetankuru ase obutumekibwa maliyo gotindia malitagenkyo amunanda mange okwana ritko liarero chingakikirana omoigabwa amatanga asensemeli ya kirenda ime yewodi ya marani asebunge yo ni goboigo omuske Jafet abirga otamna ni gabigete mirobelisa ine yogo chiago ikirania amagendero na tokomanyigwa no muriketo Daniel Ontiri
na sensemo ya marani ime bunge ya Kitutu Chache North ase kaunti ya Kisii asilit kulialero mubunge we bunge yo muske Jafet Mukaya Nyakundi arairombe ya barai bande kurwa sensemi yo hegati yabo muske Dominic Moset Muko muske Richard Dokari hegati ya barai banda bange abwasobwamo baikaso mwega abwa matanga uyurenge boko mwini mongina papeshwa kirubondiki uyumayikanete buna peri mwega boigo ikirenwa nomboro monene bobomenyi boigo nababwatani kurwa chi sector au
came from
kubotekana no kogendera gukina kumubaro bwa bana inse yemeke 13 abo bakonyora marita mapema negati abo bagendere gwetera emechando au asorongo rwagusi magaga yokoremia ya matiyo muske Nyakundi nigaboria amasikani asabana bakena muna baiseke eliko batanga kurwa samalita mapema na marwiri au egento kera baise guturubania amasomo abo
bone una abana baito bale chi holiday koranche abamura balegaiga nabagaka laki tolende abana baita bake bali balenka munya ko baligere limono koranje ay kokoranga ka uniform kalika ko kiri koranje genda gore uniform obegerengo wigire mukao
Nyakundi chinga kiboigo hasanga nigetaseni kyagetembe nigamenta igoro ya magendera yikiraniri hase Kitutu Chache North egati abo mangana yichistima binyoro 10 na kianda nigo byanyorire na kuyigirwe stima boikirenu bosa batali wakanira kende gionsi
inje na debirega emyake ya nemetanga ni 5 ngote maju chini abantu baito bonsipi balegaiga banyore stima nonye bali bagotara bokuko toba bekere ili bagotara baite uya mbaba sekogochwa eyere uya gosere gobe ndose intubo gasoto weta na abuli baweta botukondoko baroserie chera yabo
asomokyoe bokongura na kurubura chipara hasi chinsemo au hasi chiwodinye cha Kitutu Chache North negati yali boigo hakwanire na kuboria abamenya se chinseme cyo botwaro kwege na sale nabuna ke magendero ebunge yo nigere asagiya
chipara na rosi amakoli unepale kurukunya motaro yagenda kiyo moncha yalenga matoboka ogende iriani na barose esten mutaboli go kiyo moncha na rosi epale iriya nyagonyi na rosi epara yaramo muchande ko rosi wono kuna tukukwana iga uno gakichiga se chionzingo kora inkinene mutagete gaki kose mutagete ko seli wono mapema
asense mwende siasa ya wodi ya Marani nigo ya bwatanse asumuske Richard Okari na Dominic Muko batemana chinguru bonsi barolekana gotware kiringa gyo kogendera gosira bamenyi be wodi ya Marani asa matukale bosyo
asome ndatara akora ronto wanje kuna baba chipara makori yani asalegete no yotokonya bana kachagoma na ngaki ateko kolega asio national government akachakorosia makori chibasa chayo sali korosia makori yo mu MCA tigabota agachora ngaminto nto goitera egente kineke besana akara tora nyore nto no gabe tanga minto nto goitera ngakitochu kabanende ukali mumuroche mamu nakona goita iga mumurochi ama na ale kusabanga mugako yo mite twala moide chintunde chiga isato nale mwale gwanchaiga ndara mukonya sinini tali bogaki
Gurubudrige daseni kyagetembe kurega Kitutu Chache North ase kaunti ya Kisii Ritarane nguruku Daniel Ontiri
yamono sanu muriketo Daniel Ontiri noroboto ruwa senchira yobu ikiranu tokwirana asensemelia ye bunge yabo machoge borabo obatkana amona barai banyakaba kumirana ase umucyo Nairobi mnenchira ya moyo gukwanira igoro yabo mobu mugusi litko liarero nigo oyo kabere umujumbe o machoge borabo umuske Professor Zadok Abel Oguto abereka gukwanira igoro yogo chamo abwasaboigo abereka otemna nigo egesakyo mugusi kiabeire ekenene na nigo kibonete gutwara ekiama kiabo ekenene okwana chinga kecho nigo moske Abel aberiga otamuna abomo bomugusi nigo barachikorenta omugusi bwensia mo kwene kingane nkuyariganiare bosibwa bachori obonene bo mwaka 2027
gaukwana asa matanga ya mohime yabo chibura buyo kabeiru muchumbo machogo babura bumusike sadoko gutu nigatebire muna umugusi ase chinga kiechi nigatabwati ubura yubuya obura konye goika ase serikali nabo ikokwene kingo mugusi nkonyorale bintu bya serikali una yakabeire kurwa matuka magega
opinion usibono iga buno bugambi bwarutu bwachaka ntobwati omoteneneri obwate agenda yo mugusi Jetingo tebanga aina makosa agekogera ogoso osio bomo gusine sabali bale bagotangana bale bakobwati nyuma igo ngukagera ngali bagochaka tibachake lakini nene banyore ngabande bategerera rali batigete nyuma na kiki ndagote
chinga kichecho musike ogutu nigatebire buna omugusi nigatabwatiri bagaligi ya serikali nganonya ekero ebintu bikorwegwa omugusi nigatari konyora amabagama ya asengencho buna abaraikuru asorogongo rwagusi tibarachamo na kobeka chenda yo mugusi bosio
moma etena bono ega engakienero omugusi atabwate no mu PS no yomo njanya koba it is historical unless yabarai bakorwa bachumbe bachiramo bakolere engane yemo yokuagacho mugusi tokoenda 2027 otokoenda munamase tego twanguru
ase ensemo yende omusike ogutu nigatebire buna mugusi nigaganeti amangana mange kurwa ase serikali gati yabo amagenderero negentukira konyo mugusi konyora mangana yonsi nekero abarai bachiramo na korosie saiga eyemo yo mugusi
tigana mangana ya Kenya national agenda whatever. You can talk about corruption, you can talk about so many things, that's a national agenda. Lakini agenda yo mugusi nelie. Agenda yo mugusi ne se miego ikaro mugusi. E pare go ikaro mugusi. Emeremo ye government go ikaraki mugusi.
Nabo igo gotatwara ekiama ekemo ky'umugusi asorogongo rwugusi umusiko gutu nigatebire buna ekiama ky'umugusi na kiyoka kiramwe chinguru go kwanirana anemono aikero emesa yebintu bikurwa amo ne serikali
antirio mugusi okiramo atware liogiriaye atware kiama kiaye na kechika wenyu na kigogeka ne nyombe gotu omugusi igago chikoba omonto gokaribishwa asinyomba chia bantu twaisane negesa kweka netole abatwagosokia bachumbe baito be kiama geito baba ikomi baba kianda bunda kubwatakana constitution sobwate gusi
se omoeli omusiko gutu nigaburira bagusi kubwatuka ebyama byebisa binde gentagote buna ekero ebintu bikorwa mo ne serikali ebisa ebine bikoirana byabagana ebinte byo nabo igo kweba omugusi
ogotegeme kiama ikoro ku DM kengege na magesabire the truth nelinga ekero mogera ko uli bagase government ya Ruto ekero bakwa mwanga obachikobeka bakurangire ni bagere boka ekero mogera tagete numbers gago kwana about Nyanza batia kera ikira tagete kobagana emeremo yabo gago kwana about Luo Nyanza. So it is high time tonya robo mubwo obo mubugusi ura twale nyombe yemo egotu nechietu ora chingoro lakini ere nyomba yaito
inkolipoteri yegetaseni kiagatembe kurwasi chinsemo chanyambunwa chigotoka ase wodi yabo chiburabu imeye bunge ya machoge bwa bwa county ya Kisii Elietaliane Isaiah Maobe
right mbya mono sana mulikito Isaiah Maobe norboto rwasenchira yobo kirano totigarite ase county ya Kisii abarai nabo igabana inchi nigo bagendete kurwa ebirengero byabo kubatkana amo no kumirana kwa barai bagusi asumucho Nairobi asabo igabange babiri bagoteamuna okubwaterana gosaba mobo mugusi tali okubabeka nabo okubarenta ababunge boka kolende kubwatanikira oyomo ninchiremo yokwane kinga egesakyo mugusi kiabereke gusukabusyo arabotoro nigo rwariganirwa n'umurikito Brian Sagini isen
Habire oka aelire korwa ensemo ya bari bagusi kumbera na Serena na Nairobi gukwane robo mbobo gusi engana egendererete kwaligenye birengereri au kurwa sabana inchi na baga bari borogongo elia lero nigo omonyakero gobo mobwa Taifa Democratic Coalition TDC oyibo igoro molike monene bw'ikyama gya Kenya National Congress KNC umuske Benjamin Gisore gukwana kurwa somoyiga bwa matanga chinsemo chaga chuba county ya Nyamira nigo moche bagabana borogongo asogotabwatania abagusi bonsi kobono kogendereria obobisa bwa gisiasa goika okobunorobe basensemo ya keroka
ekero mokonyora omogavana okoro kunyaribo na bari mwarugusi mokonyora omogavana okoro kusimba arati batebi barentire obosoku gusi abagusi ntokorwanirira orobebe rwakeroka ing'ambu yatoitanania manyinga bori n'obosoku bori nakwokoreta obonyira gusi mubakanie
Benjamina nigo amochi abaseneta omosike okongo omogeni na bigo mosike Richard Onyonga asoko genderera kugikere bokorere bwa bagavana babo ndibagali kubabwatesana gukinia ebirengo bye county gutinya uborai na bigo kubwaterana n'aba MC abo boigo babwategetari ayaringe tobokorere bwe county gose oversight
mokonyoro musani one okoroku senior council okongo omogeni motebi konyento musigete lakini ngwesi koragotia atige konya gotara na bamurei gabechanga bakomobo genki okorwani gavana ega eseneta igebwanete gotara na ba MCA taribo erinde bakore legislation tinda atebanga nyaribo nomuya lakini obane mboringa oversight ekorwarari ekorwase assembly no nyonka ninje nkomotebinde neratiga mang'ana ayo mario gota yo tinya gitari kigasi ekitogo kora onya monyi wete chibesa chirega obotachiri bora imbogenda aseme buko y'abantu gosebono
chinga kichecho oyo kaberomo MCA okiogoro moske Samuel Apoko nigo boigo ao koboko engano yogo chamo komogusi engana ya chagetigwe nensemo ya baraikuru asomoche ona Nairobi
ontaete kopongesa abachumbe baria baito bagusi karongo kwana gusi wa minute kisina Nyamira asogo chamo enjereri baumeranete obairanira ngambu yamo na asenge jogo chake mission ngeyo kurende ngo banyorie nga onde bwencho wate idea area tigato mubake na kumwiranira ngambu yamo na asenge jogo chake ni setu wengia yokubeka bagusiyamo ya kabere mbatebi ngarende e process yeri mwachagete tigagendere gochimotwe bono na mumerenta bachumbe the next meeting na injina wana ariko ba advising ebe all elected leaders abagabana babere aba deputy governor babere aba women rep babere ba senator banne because into bwata aba elected babere na aba nominated babere speaker ye county assembly chonsi bere Nyamira na Kisii na aba MCA bons ba Kisii na Nyamira and the third meeting then ebe the elected leaders and the former leaders karamu abekire igo mo kole yo mo mago jabana mutuaro opinion leaders bonds bagusi then mo make the missions and mo forge ahead
Eretarian Brian na Sagini Isena
Timbi ya sana muliketo Brian Sagini Isena kurendo mwanchu muri robot ruwa Brian Sagini Isena na rugo tukia asensemeli kyongali boli botkubalero abwase nkubolinga ine abantu abange babiri bakonera igoro yabo mobu mugusi kurende kyabere ngane naro nkubolinga ine obomo boiga no bumugusi gose no bomo bwenda obomo boiga no bomo bumugusi gose no bomo bwenda yakwara baraya bange babiri bakonera igoro yabo mobu mugusi kurende goikabona igamburanya kabo gukirana nabo kunya kabo kone kinga naye kwabiri kugosanga amona intwe emasemo ase nambera ase screen gabo olike ujumbe yao nabo gikuru birengero byao kingaki turachunya kabo to kone kinga nabiri ngosoma ujumbe yabo ine obo no bomo bumugusi gose no bomo bwenda nabo kunya kabo kone kinga kwabiri kugosanga na intwe emasemo kingaki boigo Moske Dennis Orioki abirika ukirana asense meli tukenya kabatu koligere nabo kubwatia amange ayagent kwane kigwa kubwatkana amo ne kwane yiga igoro yobomo bomugusi korende onchimuleta kwanda asensemo ya kabiri ye studio tanyora bosembo agateme kurina na mangi nkwarganitie toskari
Baraka ninjo rembe ninjo dorome banana man bangina ninjo
aye undigereti abo nkarukuma kengo andati nkengiri ndumura misati karumura misati konyegete gandire ine data ngakyoko ngacho umuntu ngayoli wano zingaru ari tubuli ubwenya moleo karokene nenchara mulite kyomeli mabere tayo chipotaka bwabere boke bono kumurukanga ni gari kana nditalibo nkarukuma kengo andati nkengiri ndumura misati karumura misati konye gete kandire konye bwete kandire pio bantu baka uri mambia uje guko aku na Nyasaye nawe mubekerete ngakumambia ya taliko aya ganyaburi ndumura misati nero muno buna abana butaka buri uri michigo yeta ngombe yenye nyore mori ko ya bori nyore mori bazi nanda muchina ndakabana kamwana na bako byuka nkarukuma kengo anda dinkengiri kandu bura misati karumura misati konye gete kandire ko na tanga nyarebe no kimu ngaisa uriyo kora muntu niwe zoro manyera ngano kimu ya iwo no ko muntu makengo akengiri takengiri
Bagaka ninjo yatembe ninjo darome ninjo manana man ninjo bangina ninjo
Tumura karibu nanda senseme iga ya kabere ne yamweri kiunga chinsa ibera bwa stokwenda korwase county ya Kisii nigo umwe MCA ward ya Nyacheki umuske Naftal Unkoba abereka gwasokia na ukwanira igoro yogotena nabo gutekerana kwa magendero ase ward nabo igana munase county ya Kisii ukwana chinga Kenya kabukirana asomo igabwa amatanga asensemo ya ebiosi nigo muske Naftal abereka goteba muna ensemelia ichpara korwa ase ward ya nigo chiranya kwa chikoro isigwa na kuburi mugavana bwe county ya Kisii muske Paul Simbarati gochia kuligiria nabo gukirania amagendero ase county iga ya Kisii
aturusirie banko bobe umusikobiri na twensi kwa katorebi eliogi komoko nyoro mu president ito motebi gaki bango yakorere gentu keke ya tonyare mu wanti to kiripoti yiboyo umujumbo ito no ara ebango ya tonyarire na okonyora kwa bantu baito yokorogoke igobono tigato musabere nyasa kune nkoro yaye ebangeri akorere gentu keke ayeke yake Igo hiyo ndio maombi tunasema kwa national government. Egento ndatake tukweba na inde. Ekero tugusabira serikali eri ya iguru. Na ansa tubwate serikali ya itoye Kisii county government. Tari boigo. Moye sabere mono. Njibuna ndo chega nitia masabo mono sana na kubwa no leri ya Nairobi. Wise koligerelia performance development. Chikwata chonsi pibali moko soma chigaseti. Na wa Kisii mere kwa number 47 out of number what 47 ninga chibe chiricha magendero chiriko soka chikore gentu keke noni ga tunatoika steiga asenge nju chibe sa chitari soki kwa subu wango chikora magendero na umoko ligereri noni chipara chiro siria masebe muri bichirora ipare go connect kera n'abantu ba Mochengo igero siri sebe tirakorwe koru ipare go connect Rugoraiga Chironge Erombuyere epare go paka borangi mate yari go tiraira gere ni sebe na kieko garango tebange serikali na elebe kwa masabo muno eri no mugabano ito ali riskibesa chikore gento keke chikora magendero because otu achoretu na erore siyo ye county ali riskibesa chikora magendero. That's why we must pray for that government. Nganche
Wanchumreto kwirana asense mwende litkolia rero nigo egatia barandia korwa ase chikansa abanyakaba gusangirekana ase ekanisa ya mwamba ni Yesu yego toka ase county ya Kisii mwenchira ya moyo kubekerwa egotwa bali babekerwa egotwa nigo bagokera egetambo kireke.
Nashukuru Mungu kweli Nyasaye mbiyamana se ebirebi naso mugasobana Nyasaye bayiro mwegenwa tola chagete school weye otokonyire otoire school fees naende wikarero igatwakorera so wanje kwa Nyasaye ere tere Nyasaye riba kunandiriye gwo bonene ende merime Nyasaye toire twegenire ngana ende buna echakire buya na ekore buya seretari ya Yesu
because we serve God of every season twamubakire nonyamangana karenga mange naitu esenja takeri chinyinga lakini Nyasaye bayiro mwegenwa komo semereti Nyasaye taguotiga kende kionsi Nyasaye ansire nere nando gugekori asomoroberi oye igo twakiri Nyasaye mbuya asobwarobo ankonye na korre myakene no mungino nere Nyasaye samwikiri baka twagira tutiri tukori alero twabakiri Nyasaye nande na komotogi asonsi na sabiringe sabali serious totigariti tata na torae asekera ringena na ni once bi tenya saba seni ndio taito gojoine Bible College bilango imefunguliwa acha Bwana watende meme kila mmoja azidi kulinua jina la Bwana. Asante kama seni wa mtukonsi
murato kwirana asense mwende munenchira ya moyo korenta nabo kuruburingo nabo ikobo gwendu bwabosa kuchia samenyi bo tamba nigo bagokera gitambukiro gyo kwenekinga babiri bakonyora obugweni oboiga na oburingori bwa busa abange nigo banyaka bagusangerekana ase enseme ya utamba nabo ikogokera gitambukiro na kugenda kurwese getugo kya sabara ikwega omubwekano gwa kwenekinga babiri bakwira obugwenia nabo igo oburwari bwa busa ange na abananchi
igana kenara gwite binyoro gwita nanyota abantu barorita abange sana ngana ka request nyagitari Oasis echirigire abantu amarwere mbara batari konyara gwikira nyagitari twakabanga naba abanyagitari Oasis rero twikira butambe geti gutagosaba abantu ba Oasis so gwanje kurbanjete bakatorendera bakanja kongwa mangana batebeti bakarenda nyagitari mbaka iga egeti byamona segase mwakorere ngiya nainde tuwengene last time nyasanja ari mate naro bado mbaruari abantu byasana nantu bigetimbeo takira abantu mbaruari wo so njiga siani ya Central Ward ikona gusaba abantu ba Oasis onyiri banyara abantu mbara batakanya wekanya gitari ari bakora sona ka branch gasini ninsa asaba nyeta banyara wekira nasa bache bakonya abantu bayara ko baraisi wetania badu ko sino tora na tare nyomba mananyora abantu mbara batanya ko nyomba enako saba nyeta ari bana basi batenda mangano Oasis na abantu abaya because ngende bakyara njiti free abantu barokana kene yonsi ya na bararero gutwaje tubakonye free bakonyeke egere abantu barabatibeza na nduko inko imisora abantu bari batabwatisha baganda kora cyasasha ichiko bakonye ko kibosyo
ande obo kekerenge kene gitugo cha nigo kera maroire mbali onde bwensi ora orekali o mongino mogako mosae wasinde nyagitari bano takire kogenda chimbashini chekero ntubwate na mo ntubwate marae elimo gote machine nene kabisa ere 1.5 Teslas
right mwanchi muri abunongo ikira mwari wekionga chinsa ibere kurende asiri bori na nyakubango kuboria aburi tangani ntara nyakabango ene kingango chitoro kumerana amo no Moske Dennis Orioki tunyakubato kurigereria igoro yobomo obuanchani nabo igo kwane kinga abagusi ngakibabwene kunyakaba bakorenta obomo bwiga bwa berbo kono seka egetambe cyujumbe kinyinge sana cyabe kikuri kugaga kurwa sensemeria akorukwanganere Peter Atema kurwa nyangweta DOK kumirana kwa barayi bagusi agotanga kumirana kwa barayi bagusi tali amagendero bakorenta gusi korende nenchara babwate anemono batagete konyora kurwa ase morayi bwense yakenyo Moske Dr. William Samuel Ruto wetera so Mosko soro nabakolika kurwa seme agotebanga obuono abomo bwenda abange sana nigo bagenda takolika bagotanga David Obegi obomo bwenda tali obomo bomugusi abwasaba nyakabago na asomotiori o Nairobi njengo tenga anara gotenga this politics aso nyonka na osoro bale nigo babwate ekirenga gikurwani governor nabo igona abange sana bagenda kulika cyujumba cyabo korende nakikonya kamango kinga na ikera abo kinga ki Moske Dennis Orioki nyakobukirana asense meiga tukikonya kabato so asen kwana ya gatembe tukwandire igoro yobomo bo mugusi toskal
Etuka yo womo ya Uhuru Superstores igiye gutuka milulu cy'ubusongo igiye konya ebintu aseli buri bigo kona nk'umubuko nkonya bale ebintu by'ubwaga kibuna bono amabati kurwa city company emesumali y'ekingenjo cyonsi cyicuma cy'ubwaga cy'ekingenjo cyonsi chiwaya buna bono binding wires chiwilbaro chisimiti cy'ubwaga kurwa city company egati y'ebintu binde binge by'ubwaga mwigo mbabwa boards muna chiricha MDF egati ebintu binde ebinge asinse mu y'ebintu by'enyumba nkonya bale mattress cy'ekingenjo cyonsi nabigicire cy'ekizize mbabwata kitangi cy'ekizize nkonya bale boigo ebintu byokulya buna bono amabuta y'ekingi kurwa city company amasi ya mandasi kurwa city company aya yokoruga chichumbi chisukali egati ebintu binde byobotumeki Uhuru Superstores igababwa tobo korelyo buya chingatoko bule bintu asetukeye mbabwate customer care ebyego segasigera chi customer buya chingaki bakogora ebintu igababwate chigali ekyo chikokora obusombi busapi chingake kwagulire ebintu biga uchande onsi aliasorabe igobagotoka ime yo mu cy'ubusongo ase nyumba ya JM Towers angene duka ya Safaricom ime yo mu cyokisi asamange bakeresi mgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 gose 0111116150 gose wetera senembele 0111 161502. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Getemba Television ekeunga kiamamugusi.
Asa Marieta nkorukista Phyllis Gesare njenomo sister kurwa sekimbia Sisters of the Blessed Virgin kwa niaba yo musasiri tomonene Father Edward Nyakundi uyoro in charge ya Nyamagwa Parish kuyari bageri kobakera ngambia mono na kobarigania na kobanyoringa inyagitari yetu ya Nyamagwa yeke mission ya kinire asekero keregeke na ande asubwango sana kwa tore outpatient services kwa tore maternity services kwa tore na interview lab asokuringura marire au na ande bono amangana maya nayo inyagitari ya Nyamagwa ya mentire kerengo kende keigoro mono ekere etieta netieta nere guchikoba konya ase okobarwa na gokonya ase nchireri ya bwango ekere ya mentire abanyagitari na obumanyo obonene kegima twabariganira mwensi moche tusangeamo ase okonye igora sinchira ya bene iyo erabe litukolya Jumatano chitariki 20 cy'umutienyoyo umwakoyo ase litukeli elyo ntutware a free medical camp tukubarigani mwensi moche mokorerwa boringoria na mono amangana mayana alinga ase free medical camp nechekore free ultrasound asabangena bebwatira miti bakamuranchiti gabangena bebwatira miti bonsi bachamo egere banyare bagokore free ultrasound bachekiwe eri bachikinyora abana babasenchirere engikirano inyoranga ase tikeri ya Jumatano ukugora wetieta apageni bande mbabo abanene mono au bakubwaterana 90 nziyo borai umusasite to Father Edward Nyakundi naye kaboyo mobo bwabageni yabo igo mwensi mwariganirwe.
Getemba Television ekeunga kiamamugusi. Getemba Television ekeunga kiamamugusi. Enyagitari ya Medford nigo egokurareria clinic kya Neurospine guse egete kyo mugongo goika obongo nebinde ebinge igwa chitariki 15 n'itariki 15 mu cyumutinyi gumukwega igo bakurareria oboringoria guse clinic kya marwaire akubwatya okurumwa kwa mugongo ebigoti hip joint pain disc bulge brain tumor obokongu ekero ogotara na boigo ekero ogwekumba okorindiara na gutwara rigandi na boigo kwigwa muna nebintu bigukubeta asamagoro boigo mbarigererie ogwati go kumutu wa kirachingake itkeriga imoke chishingi kiri bubere na 500 cyuka egere unyare gukorerwa oburingori guse clinic kyamatukaega asamange tarere asenya gitari yabo Medford Hospital irange na KMTC Hospital Road boigo na buko bakira SMS number 0762105570 guse 0101001127 Medford Hospital nekero ego kwariganiria Neurospine Clinic tariki 15 na 15 nemu icyumutinyoiga umukwiga u2024.
Kimuri ya kalbina enda sensema iga ya kabiri nkwana ya gatembe muna butambiri tweli gali ya Ijumaa nigo tukunya kabato kwa nikinga tuwawe tukumurikira alionsa ganti kwa nikigwa ase county itu ya Kisii county ya Nyamira goika asinsemo aokurende otkuwa rero nigo turachikunya kabato kurigeria igoro yenkwana iga ya birike gukwaneka sana igoro yobomo obwanche nabo igo omorembe abantu abange sana balika cyujumbe asensemina kubolia nga ine obugano bomo bomugusigo sino bomo pwenda nalika igonya kabukulika ogoteba iga mimi naona ni poa kukutana kwa sababu omugusi anastahili kukutana obomo nobuya kurwa asenseme yukurende getando wirie kaigana turachunya kaba tugukwanira obutuko bwarero as turi amono muski Dennis Orioki nyakabo gukwanira igoro yengane yiga yabere korenta libira litindi igoro yobomo obwanchani nabo igo omorembe kurwa asege saku kia omubusi. Karibu sana musho.
Yamona sana morali onkoba asega asingia. Last time nalenga rondo change na wengia for the better.
Yes.
Keep it up. Yes. Thanks for the good work so far.
Sabantu bali batakumaiti sko gali anda.
Samalieta Dennis Orioki ngorokwa. Nara mwabe kabu ya opinion leader.
Yes.
Among abantu bakorwa maoni ga so opinion yebirangerali independently nonde ase category yo onko barwa.
Na kero mugusia gukwanira nga igoro yobomo obwanchani nabo igo morembe. Engane iga yabirike gukwana kurwa matukamaiga. Sana yani nga yabire nga nogotera abagusi to chamo abagusi kurwa se county ya Kisii ne county Nyamira to chamo munenchira mo yo korenta amagendro engane yiga nja naguikirana kuru ya kwane tuchinkwana chabe chiko kwana kurwa maega kurinde goikaboni iga ngane iga yobomo obwancha nabo igo morembe ngia naguikirana
biamono lingane li obomo bomogusi yabere ligo cha sana igere slogan ko egoso amongo y'abantu baito buya yani nona karo kwana obomo gusi igego soka buya otatiga ekaro obomo bogocha mbobwate enchira bogocha tobwata bana siasa ekaro bachiramo yamajikorokananga obomo bwachire lakini kwa abantu baboleta gose bako bokwana n'abana siasa ntobwata professionals gose gusi professionals karo bachiramo bataka kusukume kozi gete gose gento gete agenda gete badanga buna ntu professionals bomo gusi twarode mbiya to chamo bachamo lakini ntobwate oborai bokorunga bottom up talibu president lakini korunza omwananchi tokoboya ere obomobo ngakyakobonyora gose ngakyakoboigwa ngocha bore ino manner of forms. However, this one is como chicocha neri. Obomobo inkibo buhati objective ya ya nanere. Nkiye ko gara abana siasa ba ko majikorokananga na wako chane agenda nga obomo. Ose category gete egweroka ose no gusi professionals ba chamo. Inki babuate maiga yegenteke. Onse koligere liense itobu na Kenya bono iga. Ntobuate challenges chira sabana inchi. Ntobuate programs iko run by government. Ibintu biri bigo kuno mwananchi biyare ko bangana biyare kogera omogusi ko sobo omogusi toko unite for the agenda yo gosukuma gento gete ekige ko bwato mwananchi bwenzi in general gusiengema roholyo bomo buna boto ko sustain. Sometimes in 2016 to bwato bomo bomorembe bomogusi moino yae karo ko nyoro mwana siasa Chris Obure, Honorable Chris Obure, na role kora hawo mobo. Etimu ende moino yarenge na Mheshimiwa Magara yare kora au na baro bakareta obomo bwo morembe. Ekaro kolije ligente 2016 August ne chikura chiyale ko chikoso 2017. Ekama chikorokana obomo obwa machikorokana putaete korwania omogaba na olenge ngakieyo omozike James Ongwae that time. Bono Ongwae aka play safe akarokano tata etiko dance any tune but eventually omuzike Magara Ongeri Professor Ongeri na abande bakarosie counter team obomo bwo morembe buna ya chiete ko 2017 yabo asoko bo mwenge eventually Chris Obura akaboli bokabana 2017 Ongwae aka retain karo chikura chia karo to aka retain etimu yo karokananga ya buire ekiki abete buna chikura chia retaiga obomo boli bomo busio bwaera okabora ebinto binde byachira nginyole ngakieyo omosike Fred Matiang'i Dr. Fred Matiang'i yo kabero mosies nera kama chikocha under the same arrangement era ko tanga bono professionals yo mogusi professionals ba chamo no more no bomo bomo gusi ekaro ba chete na kero kigai kagatige kabange yaitu sana sengenje kya rokana tenga agenda nere bataete ko suguma ego sideline yo morayo ro county ya Kisii then omo governor James Ongwae so ebinde byamanyire gocha na bona buneke yachete musonde twarura abajumbe gusiengema bakemba iyo barayibande mbayo buna twakeligerete na baro bajiramo lakini ntotahiti kuligerelinga chikurangara chire chikure chikale 2027 lakini baachire no bamobo 2024 perhaps baromba kabwate agenda ndere tofauti yake echichi obamobo abere bochimaga bwa failed eketotahite ko believe nga whatever the agenda babwate nechero kanega ko forge something.
So now does it meaning obamobo iga gose kero obamobo mugusibo gocha after election gose before election bubona to gocha in between katika bere gai
ebirengere byana intagete kotanga chigaboche bogo ba propelled ni agenda te rokananga ne chikura chiri agenda boje before or after na bakonyora mwabuiru bale batayete ko eberelia babe ko ruembereri babe ko serikali before bale batayete ko eberelia bare ko semba suwe numbers babwe chikura so ekerere either way bono ntoyo konyeka because interest yerabu ne kerogo omonda akoli lakini yakerego changa ntobwate challenges iwa affect yo mwananchi. Number 1 kwa sana mangana health ntobwate program ya chirenyi ko NHIF to SHIF and SHA ntobwate issues to do with the higher education funding programs and model ya chirengao still there are challenges ntobwate cases ya abduction chire Kenya ngima chigenderete ntobwate all manner of challenges chia soirense chitagete korokananga echichio katika chitu unite yamo mogusingo tebalenga tigatogosane gose twangane lakini twanjerane matati nebirero akera abantu babwate challenges yani abakenya bono nkorera bale gosomo gusiba bono oikire changamoto ya mubwatire chonsi challenges ya mokunire all round obolirwe option ya yam tikabono tumerane matati nkigo tumere ni matati asengencho oborotu aeteire moino na moino your brother moina alenge nae moina ole mwatemire ko bisukuma byasinyire challenges ya bere chinyinga tikango to chamo goso ogochoka mongo tokonya to solve some of those problems.
In the way back I remember omo senator bono igamo skirikya mo monyoka nabo igamo ske Samuel Arama omujumbo na kurugaria mbabete bakumirana bagatebanga bono ntumno mu busitwense kurwa se county ya Kisii county ya Nyamira to chamo ekendengia kwant kurumaga sana the same thing na hande bono ngisi egotera kuri kwa kwant kurumaga goro yobomo eko ranyorete omoske Elvis Omalbongwae oyorenge omo governor bwe county ya Kisii na sogete agatebanga nerebuya omugusito chamo kuri ndabantu mbachi koigwa na terete sana gotera kunga omugusi kabege ntekamo yaikire bono iga ase mnaritko matkamaega matkabira itiriga omoskirichar mu nyonka amona ba jumbe bonse kurwa se county ya Kisii na Nyamira baumira netaria somo chu Nairobi batingane igatekite korenta bicyangiye gekogera abarayi abo mu bomugusi otayebegetiamo omo governor bwe county ya Kisii obeko mu governor bwe county ya Nyamira nabo igo abawaziri muno moske Julius Ugamba migosi abaigana abarayi abane sana sorongura gusi batimbarra kanetigari ebicheye iga ya draft kendi gyons ke korokinga oboigana obo mu bomugusi
ndadangota yo moralia onkoba biamona asali boli yawo. There must be a reason, a trigger. Again, don't get it kiagarate. And my guess could be ntwa changes chia korwa in the cabinet. Ekaba chia korwa aba waziri bagachorwa. Karaba achorwa tokanyora korugusi omosiesi ogamba. Macho wolengo agatigara. Then tuatua complaints nga gusi abukale otuagatua GPS ibere ko seisato ne minister ibere at least back then. However, yaro kanenga there is a challenge. Asenge nchobora ibuna bo achenjiri our neighboring counties bakaroka na banyole ba negotiate much better unlike some of us Kisii na Nyamira. My thinking yerenga mbachiete somewhere bakaboli rizwa moramo abajumbe moramo gosenko barutera litoronga kerona abaire gento and your complaints. It is possible. Sometimes in regime ya Kenyatta ntonyorete sagini na mogusinara aliele I think kosenya moya bakarangeli bwana Kenyatta akabate binu babere ni no bagusimora tagete mogende siko moigwane between you two ngongobo vice president. History keeps on repeating itself. Ekero ya hai keten abasokire siko bakairana kero mondate bangani jeni Kenyatta agateba koranga moigwana ini so obo mobo kwa dates back to history. No mbobuate amanganaye. No unless to get differences to kando to manyanga umwananchi otuakerete kura ole Kisii oyore Nyamira igako ba affected because challenges yabwate ne chimo tochibeke kando nga challenges yechi individual interest tochibeke kando challenges yechi na chichi kogera bono togen abantu banda bakoranga eye reward twanyore PS abantu ngo boli barenga PS inga yekorwa nyomba kyakorwa noane nyomba yubogoika abantu badongo boli bale enyomba eyu neri yaito enyomba ende bado interest ye chinchiro lakini wone yakorokananga obonche obogotangana kobwa oitoko sabo
lakini ngikireka kongwe yakorada community singonyoro ngachiachire barabo batwarire ubwanchani bigano obomo bwabo babe kandamo banyorire gitari no ngorwa serikali ene lakini ase umugusiga iga yabira kumusana ku United because ngonyoro renga differences ye kigende tukone kigwa sokoranga baraya bakorutira namangana moseneta bwe county ya Kisii Moske Richard Momonyo nkambali kora no bosia so bosino mugavana bwe county ya Kisii Moske Paul Simbarati the same thing happened to Nyamira omo governor Moske Munyalibo mbali kora kana amo abosia so bosio amo no mo konyoye so emine na ba MCA na abantu bande emine tinga bono differences ye kiga ndikira era tonyorobo mu bumugusi
nonetheless ekaroro morai oanchenga naye at one point nabokorawa oitobote it's give and take there is room ora atige for compromise ingarero kintanyora nabongonyora mambia nabotokonyoro tokonyagoitana omogusi gose abarai baito in general mbabwate challenge yuyoko compromise because give and take it has been a challenge since time immemorial buna nagotel all through naboko igwete you can date back timanye ti birecha kye bwate te mwanya getinge totaraika sigeze totebenga bono tigatoigwane those are the tribes I can tell you mbabugata masikani gete to some level nga oyo minto kanyora igona anje na nyore bono baitabote badanga ankyo kande we have a big challenge nebanga abarai bali bonsi ano ko boli kubalenge nga mwachira omole leadership korwe Senate na National Assembly ingango montoyo mokorugusi nkobo PS president yebaboli I can guarantee you they will take months pataraja no montoyo because it will be push and pull abago tabaninga ayese no mobwato mo governor ayese no mobwato mo deputy governor mobwate CS muagatwalire ebibono byagera nga to lose touch no ne opportunity to kanyora ya to affect we need to go back as leaders tora allow bantu babere batato baratogaya na batokwanere I can say CS Matiangina atemete sana however no nyendiri atemete still there were challenges there were people bare ko tamang Matiangio yutara tokonya yet he tried no enkenye kama jikoranga mumuro iboirugusi ora begento man ka abarai baito baigwane a compromise ba agree I can ask one question where were the two governors yagaraba humerane where was the CS ntobwate solicitor general na bantu bande where were they perhaps we need to begin there gokwana ebirengereryo bya bali batayazo mokutano tobiyigwe for example where was Governor Simba he is very senior in terms of political party, political party deputy party leader at that level. He can also, by that support and influence, wield the other side. He'll also be able to bring about issues. And our colleague beyond Kisii County, we may want to have somebody else. These are the reasons as the governor and
But now, inkigeko geranga keroya ikirenga engakietaro muraigwense ya Kenya gocha gusiga iga ose no Nyamira nario konyoranga abaraya baga gocha baumira na kero andake bategeta magendero bagenda gari baumira batanga bone gento tokore tobomo tokwanda mangana iga ya unity ngakero moraya akire gusiga iga twacha mo iga keraso kire iga baskire gento giatigara koba
nonye no muraigwense obamanye omanyire ngagusi it is divide and rule which is very unfortunate. No day, if there is no issue, no, you will see these leaders back united. So, it's predictable. I know Monto, I can easily divide. Very much dangerous. It has become an issue, perhaps. Nerebuya, to end back to the drawing board. Where is your problem? Why can't you put your differences aside? Nende muero kenga bono na barai mule ba gusi tali morai ya sokorwa enyombo korwa kose wherever korwa patio korwa na bintu binde kama mwabeke those differences kando no ene issue moko bolia bona moko nyonyo we have problems ntobwa the astrupia suneka aruseti kuga. Nobody said anything. A propose gachanga nechega ndasironga because of that disunity nere kagan. Propose ndega gachanga nechega ndanyangoso nere you we can't tell. We have roads chira within the county Kisii and Nyamira. Toko te bunganchi chiro sigo monene bwense na chache bikoruga yasinya because yabantu akwenguse. Ingo support yo yanyole para sobo nchenga kingo chikoba. Leadership otobwada yomugusi not the individual. Abu no problem ngere.
Narege ka sensemeli ujumbo mwanchu muri nabo kunya kwa kone kinga naye kwabire ko gusanga ibirengero byao aho igoro yenga na iga yobo mobu mugusi korende narege kurwa ngane era wolta kurwa sensemeli ya keumbo keumbo agotebanga gaki obo nobo mobwenda bunanyali bali tukonyuma sana pia Kisii county tigasimba ataboboke akorera abamenyi be county ya Kisii amagendero abange sana nguri kabali cyujumbe mto Dennis kurwa sensemeli ya SMS abange sana ngote abarenga oboiga nobo mu buchinda yani nk'abantu barayi bakogenda gari gabe basangirekana kinga kimne kiga nkaite nk'umurayi bwensi ya Kenya nare raikirwo cya gusi ekina kiare ntete abagusi abayiga usabarayi abagacamo bagacaga kwana iguru yobomo gemine tinga muna muno murayi bwensi ya Kenya gocha gusiga abomo botoke muna gosoka iga bas
abomo bosire that is where the tragedy is. We have a problem ntobo at vision ntobo at mission. We have all manner of challenges and problems. I can tell you, Moralia, not unless our self-interest to chibeke kando. Tomanyenga omogusi ninki atagete from the word go. Tikana kueligere ringa nki otagete aye at the level wa soiro borai kwa bero mojumbe kwa bere MCA kwa bere senator kwa bere governor. Perhaps your interest and the vision tigera isanera hapo. Now go back ligere ringo ntobuate para. Ntobuate essential amenities. Ntobuate infrastructure chire key bona bune airstrip for how long tuaka minyokire Kisumu paka bono tobuate counties barongi Kisumu abantu baito bakogenda rero tobuate Kabunde Migori yabekire airstrip abaguzi aba bonsi Kisii na Nyamira inga the two counties cannot unite and agree nga tikato tu airstrip somewhere eyo aberege kobo is a tragedy. Number 2 ntobuate abantu bande who are able barato unite batabuati interest yende yonsi na butora heliva ba champion obomo bomokusi. I can guarantee you asengenja baraya ba the leaders on the throne ababa abeira ba MC ba jumba ba senator ba governor for all these years babere ba go fege karo ba go tema goja na unity yomokusi. However, from those leaders ntobuate aseba ko wakilisha ntobuata barai batabuati interest yako boli gentokende ntobuata abantu babuata experience bakola mangana conflict management bamanyete exactly how to raise a concern no any problems ntobuata barachirete easily on the floor articulate their issues a president yebaiwe. It is high time we allow bantu babere batato batorai batabuati their own selfish interest because okobeko morairero obo mojumbe. You cannot believe it. First time member of parliament, goes MCA, goes some governor, goes some senator, ekara so ireli tangania ko ende miaka 5. Iga kolengera day 1 yaba sworn in, iga kolengera ringa ngakingo jakoba re-elected. That is his own interest. Yes. Why can't we have abantu batabuati political interest, batabuati anything to lose? Whether the idea of bomo gusingwanjera no go stay wanjera no is able to champion those issues by karanza by relevant. Number 2, abana inji zikali ngo tolike bale with lenses ichie birangere bibi no nyama moyima abakolike moyima bano obagabana okatageta bano ngakyoko unite members of parliament ba gusiyengima kolengere members ba parliament ba Kisii baje bagwake cheki obo oli obagabana obo could be that is the interest. You never know. He cannot tell you personal interest. Abajumbe omuta ete ko unite at this point in time mo negotiate bintu bibere bitato onyole area election omwana nchi oyere ekero moko unite ingi monkoleda on the table.
Abange sana nkwe bori bara mabori ayo Moske Dennis na rega kurunga support my big brother Dennis Jeremia Onchangu na bago tabo igonga ago support sana your point igente igwa kwande goro yamangana iga yabara igo chamo kurende asege ka kia manga amatuka mange sana secret ki iga yabirige ko ge korrekana ana mona samangana iga yobo mubumu kusiya kwara kiabe kiko kwano in out yabire ngano gotera yani ngakurumayaga baraiba chake ga bakwane gento ke kaigo nande ebanga bono bakira kero yabire ngegento ke kiabire serious na nonyoranga abo mubumu kusi nande buhiranire
kote babale karo ko state house igoko wenda nego tie bwate mebuke menene go zemegale so timanye tie ga ye mebuke ini kira kirenda karo ko nyora bantu bako genda enyombe nene yoborai state house Nairobi chances are baikosoka kuruobosa. They have personal interests, of course, in Kovajiremet. Ekere kikiabeire. I can tell you about Jive. So, no monto lenchara. He is more productive ekara lenchara. Lakini kaka koigota olengere ibinto byae. That is the tragedy about our leaders. Abalengeraji indingo satisfy my immediate need. Ninkabwa the challenges. I know members of parliament cutting across since time immemorial, their allowances. What that one tells you, the demand for more money or support financially, of course, expectations. We understand that. Not unless we are agreeing a challenge to what the Nepal Korosiwa, Omo Jumbe, Abanto Ebo Koira. Ci product chiabo kado chiabo chigende chiro asikuchibe bujo monto oni binto bia we will forever have beggars bago sabachibe asiko bago dango mugambi tosere mugambi ngake watotika we have a problem totakere go solve ka tu anye solve all these problems chinde to kaite chire chinkanga 50 bob 100 bob to konya ko sabu ali kuna bara ye binyoro na binto binde we are the people to go cause those problems ngake to solve those problems oko zero ko monda ko te bingo mogambi richi campaign chire igogocha tosere wango to esera to manyete esera tosere esera ya onto nyumanyete is a tragedy. There is a problem. We need to have a serious discussion, but I can guarantee you te ikora una banasiasa bale in the leadership because bale aspiring to be leaders for obvious reason. They have their own interests personal yoko bekerogo because yoko rusio monto lekerogo. That conflict itself nganinta ke ko rusi simbekero kyo bogaba nansoe ndoro kana ninje nende mbuat program yoko champion yo morembe gose obomo bomo gusi, you know, people will always see ayo go ta ko boli genteke oganda elsewhere.
But while leaders ya bange bako konyoranga se bago tuare bitine biga na ige kone kinga morembe ngo churobora yakora some leaders imbare bako nyanga ke abugate go sin interest gete na liago chana bantu tebia bantu nganjinte te ku unite tote no mubweka no gosenkisi county nyane stadium gali mugava no chote banga bono ntu nchemuno mo no galibo mugusi ntaite korenta banta bega bonsi amura kini go kwanyora goseno mo senate nere somewhere no women rep somewhere nere ngo teba ngo champion ringa gento ntagete no kora no go chamura kini banta ambana go chaso bwa mo gabatene batebe ngantu chitabauti chito cyage siasa twabekire kando totaite korenta mugusi amo nabo igo engane iga yo kone kinga abaraya bange sana babiro batanga bono mugusi to isanire konyore kiama yaitu na intutura nyaka bato gwetenera getura 2027 kubwat kana na differences ikiganchi kunyaka bachikwane kingo mugusio nyore kiama kya kira nyaka bato
kambo tiganga ansali swali ya ulitanga ni kwabo linga abantu ngo jabara bayareta ngabona no mulembe na chire koreta ko senate governor women rep all those people omulembo yo koreta ngonyo sale you could be the real problem o kagerete ngane problem mo go solve but you are the problem. Abarai Bonsip in general, they are the same. They are the reason because they have been pushing interest to get Chitali able to unite abantu bami. A problem where they go no ana matanga ba cause commotion. Omonto jana ba murabaye eke cause kiaburukani kiasa lyo morembo yu omanya go tenana neli kono tebanga moncho orende to morembe ka asali lyo morembo yu abo momoroji. Yes. Eke ndo kwa bo liye chama. Sometimes in 202, the late Simeon Nyachae, na jitene chame koro 40 people. What? When? Sana. What happened? Usiyengima, tu was 10 constituencies. Abarai bagachoru usiyengima. I can tell you, not all the people are satisfied. Gosi abate abatenga Nyachae uchirene chama yae. Obuatira bara ibonzi ipyo bekire eke kabwe kamo wono ga ko enda bwe negotiate liegendo kia state house. You see what I'm telling you? Yeah. So we've had challenges ne wange chame we've had a party ya Rengeford people eka unite to the referendum mogusi. Behind that there was an agenda ngo mogusi nere anyoro president. It wasn't easy because Nyachae ga attended for a serious call yoko rainse abantu bakamora kurugusi engima bagatebanga na into tuaro montora be president bagatebalende ko be president ko katomo chinguru chiabarai bande bakamochorera abajumbe kerwa mochorera abajumbe aba be office. Yes, but people were saying abantu ababara ne chistuji jenya chai abantu abanya chaba be to mobuka ko barusi ko babotebinga aye korugo sensa Mugirango no igwete kingo teba toko kenda alia wake chingo pia karongo kwane point aye korugo West Mugirango oseno buo ja the late no igwete kingo teba so it kagende ka paint a picture ya rengembe subsequent elections we had a challenge. You remember what happened? There was a lot of clamor for change. Chikura chigako na watu watuale the post-election violence. Chama yae, I think nyoleta bajumbe ko sempatato, we had a manner of challenges because people were never satisfied with the leadership ya chete ne chama ya. There were complaints. So nyuma totara yeranga ne chama ya moto da rekobekwa. Tikango tora re chama ya moto asoete 20 ingikiabe. We check on the challenges to atualete to strengthen those challenges. We work on something kira tokonye so that tumanya ko able to move. We katora aligere linka itoko genda bobe. Tumanya ko ranga kitora agenda buja. Ekatu arura magoso to harumaya.
So does it mean amangana iga ya baraiba ko tebange kia mankero robatete korosi ga na roche na regulative and the governor we county Kisii na tete ngabona na into toisana ire. To buana ta gotenna na bagusi na into tokoreki to negotiate gorogali eshare ya itumune gesakumusi. But now eminetinga abantu abaiga gusabaragia abaiga bagotebanga ngo kibari ko kurigia gusene kiama cyumugusi barente babwate self interest cyabo gusene umwana inchi umugusi batete ko bekorenta amurende mnanga abeke boekamo na the late nyachaya korete.
I can tell you for free, some times back there were people baregocha with a similar agenda no ene karumo na siasa ta chikura what umona siasa igenda go chokora igago cho bakwanere language iri mota ta kotegera abantu ba minte kenyoreke mwachayiru mono magendero tanya go cha kenyoreke ntoroche buna munyanyasire nende no nyaba nyanyasire magendero tayo para teyo abantu bamba itabanga to nyanyasire they'll say yes ekeroko kenda kuriye kura goso konya agenda yao abantu abanko kenda bale baikaranza batebanga alinkinda kwane ntegereru. That is how people are coming. Bono iga barai to buate baligere iri baro renga abarai mbale ba united because they give examples. When you go to Western, a problem ya kabairo actually no yambono. There is no unity ya barai across because you ogenda Western Kenya mdaba dinaro na bwate bajumbe bae babere batato Wetangula the speaker na bwate bajumbe bae babere batato to bwate wamalwa na bwate party ya na bajumbe bae ODM ne bwate abantu bae. However, still even without disjointed arrangement, they were able to negotiate. Bakaiwo speaker na bakaiwo prime cabinet secretary. What am I saying? It is not a must. Motu are political party, a tribal, or say yo bokenyomba, mumanya gotegererwa. Come with a real agenda. Na majiko tegera a company shares ba bugatalia abate ngantu na toko so ntotagete chiparache to chirosigu. Mumia sugar, concession sugar, naero ever revived. Ekoria very revived. Abantu baito bakonya. It is an agenda that you can sell. Ababaita bagusi. Nyumomotara onelie president agenda. Ngamoga tagete koseno prime cabinet, kosena additional CS na binto binde. What are the real issues jumo na inchi? A president era atagerenga echigingo to solve ninyore bargaining. Because the president is also interested in re-election. Ekera ko yunga omogusio goja ba danga. President so what? Inki modaget tomente CSL. Ka koligere is interest because the president yeta ko re-elected. Ka koligere interest yae nere sorted orang abandao moda mo go CSL ya momentu maybe ne PS inche kune president intagete chikura chia bagusi inki mokonga ya agenda ya sirra obatika because yonse koligere ya Mudavadi na Wetangula somehow ekarwa sabete binte yaba inchi batagete akaranga ebinte they can resonate well na bananchi bakamanya kuamua kogenda ne message ngoko support tore obo president Dr. William however tutake togende bwashu abananchi baito Bungoma Viga all those places but having buna toko ile serikali yeiga a cabinet slots in Dubai nini soni sugar ko semumiasi na ero ntonye shugulikere chipara cheno mubwade kilomita 1000 ntochibeke ngota iwege ndekibuya it's a sweet music na bako tegera muziki yoyu na bako tegera obebuya abaraye baito badaite ko unite bagende president ye bae kieko ba what are the issues bago chakore on the table by president the president mako bategera ata benga eni doje mubwade point motaite chikiro chie chae echikonya monya nyasire kenyingi mandu tokonyora nilie chae bonus yenkapi ngakinko bakonya bareisia concern yonga eye president eye go konye shughulikira pi chikura chiabali mibechae bale go sene 1500 enusu mbako igubuya bako support chiparanchira alia chitara igorwa mashinani go chibeka low volume road capacity chikura abale mibako mashinani alia zaidi ya 1050 mbako support to have no yes. So you begin by identifying issues you affect your mwananchi. Echiko resonate well no mwanasiasa bosena abananchi bonse omanya ko bakonya. So that if the president comes here bunago chagocha ogote no gotebanga intubuna barai tuwaigwana ro tota gotebanga e bonus ye chae omwako gocha igego kina koru asere oseshiringi 12 paka 70 asa bantu bana bakonyora gostonyore mo
nareka igogoteba sensemilia SMS monchumuri yapo gona bokunya kabokuriko jumbe ya ukwanira iguru ya mangana igayo bomo bomugusi abaraimba umira na so muchu Nairobi na muno mo seneta bwe county ya Kisii Moskericha mu Muimonyoka nyakabokone kingobirga kubwatania abajumbe na ukwanira iguru yo bomo bomugusi nareka gotebanga obono bomo buchinda chiabo tali bomugusi ngai were the former political leaders the likes of Sam Kigengongeri, James Elvis Omalibongwae, Ezekiel Machogo, Jimmy, Shadrack Mose, Ben Momanyi, Janet Ongera, Naboigon, amona abanda abange babo manoti. Ngaiba arenge mune community professionals naboigo kina Joshua Mokoko Turina ngaiba arenge banyaka bakonekinga babiri bakubwatira nigwa sense mega yomugusi ekina ribori abantu abange sana bakuburinga ine kubatkana amuno kubwata no koiga Muskiri Richard Onyonka yateka kuumira nabajumbe ukwane goro bomugusi ngiatabekire tabara ya band bonse
elina list wale bagoza kubolibwa perhaps actually baboliwe and ali chibo bakorwa you can guess otwansete buna ababake buna barai ntoje tonya commenta chinambe chigo chimutwaye ngietara kobera the other way around moanse na kenga kiro monto ore every sector former leaders bale kobolia abababwa interest yo kobolia abande batayikobolia batabuga interest be professionals bonze bara at one board no ege go take longer nere buyamora atabantu bonsi every category mumanya ko tegererwa. They run the trouble yoko itwa no abamobo asengenjo they are isolated abale enambenke less than 20 members they can easily be beaten no abamobo wabo paka agenda USC they won't go far.
So mean singa narige gana ero gotebanga unity and love comes after leaders have done progress mean tinga mangana development actually
that's it
korwa ase county ya Kisii boy no igana boy county Nyamira mangana development chi project nchiroro chire style kiana gokorekana kubwatkana muna mangana iga ichinkwane chichiko kwane kaigoro morembe korenta unity kiana koera mangana mange sana igoro ya development ya chiko kwama igoro ya county Nyamira naboge county ya Kisii andake aso mugusi uri uri iskoga nagende tegotenga bono ntobakanyete go 2027 tunyako batoko baligireria na kobabekera tiri abange boniga nkibabone to kora special leaders yaba iga batarekera samangana unity yo korento abo moboiga bomugusi nkibabone to kora kone kinga at least ki project ekiga kire style kyabe kigokira yani kikogendera eliko kora mangana iga ye kisegi kyage siasa samatanga nabo iga se mesangire kana yage siasa
Moralion Koba in developed world or countries, what were the elections the other day? To America. It is Negen Togete, it is not in law. It is not anywhere in the laws of America. However, it is a tradition. In the United States of America. Igo como koboko kwa congratulate because asago chikora no kwale kora. It is an assumption inga abananchi abakibali gereti in their own wisdom bakaranga na boko nyara lakini una bako nyara mono bakamwa okoboko. My point in abarayi bale biro na aba batagete ebiroge for some one or two reasons chiamagendero yabananchi konyora service. Korege ntoge koro kwa checks and balances, yes, but in a moderated way. Mo abarayi bale birogo chimba mono paka bakumingi kegendered. Number two, if you can be able to support your morai, that is the best thing you can do. Motevi, especially abantu babairo former leaders this is how you go. na aba bale birogo, it is also good to consult. You are new in that office. No bochumbe mbonoro. It's also good wa consult na kwa bori. Rather than kogenda pugupugu buno moko kwawa otamanye jinga nkaino nengole na bintu binde bire. Ntobwa the problem na consultations na support where necessary. Yani ko support yo mina agendere buya taliere bune individual wakonya na magendero gose no mwananchi uri mashinani yali otaketa magendero washugulikira agenda yayo konyore para yokonyora amache yokonyora chibesa chia basari na bintu binde yaikirana kwanyole.
Yes. Narege gotenga, I support what my mentor Orioki is saying. For omusigo chamo, we need gotiga obonche and focus on our general needs and preferences, not professional interest or personal interest.
Yes.
I'm Albert Osano from Kilifi.
No mwanafunzi.
Yes.
Wish him well now at graduation. Tunakuombea mema.
Yes.
My point nayo. Not unless personal interest una mwanafunzi yoyo atebire chibe kukando. Tuanze ko focus on what we can do gekonye omwananchi ito mashinani. Whatever the interest, no tema ko coin obomo bomo gusi obomo bomo lembe obomo bo, you know, omwabe kaliswali yalinga obomo bwenda ko so obomo bomo gusi. Obomo bo interest, obomo bo self interest. Na wako to cause. Gochimotua whatever issues jiko takala tunga obomo bomo lembe obomo bo, you know, bomo gusi na bintu binde. Karaba bolia karamu abekire interest jeno kando ejitomanye tenga. You could be having an interest you're there, interest yo mwananchi yaonererie kurumaega nkikia berega ko bakara mogoja no bomo ngakitora agende mutu totaramanya challenges tu aberto ko tuara maega no bomo because it has not worked. Who told you it is going to work? We katoka and back. It has been led by politicians. It has been led by leaders bale biroko ko soda ita ko be biroko intera work bomo mbora work. Why can't we change omondo work? Because it's like doing the same thing all the time without changing anything, really. You expect different results? No. Same results, failure. Over bound to fail, much mono, kobua, bunabora successful.
Now, way forward, which Motuga Iganga ki obomo buiga go sekero varai batete korento morembe. So obomo bomo gusinga ki structure kibara nyakaba to make a connecting at least ba united mugusi yakora ngo irerege kasana korento mugusi gwensi ya mukuru ase county ya Kisii e county ya Nyamira in terms of leadership.
My request in Ringa tobuate abanafunzi abange ba kora postgraduate, we may want one or two ba ndaba kora research on why the unity yomogusi has never worked Korumaega. Nonye, despite the political party ya Motua Southwest, it has not worked. It has been led Nabarai, siasa, both Balibali Virogo, Nabali Batali Virogo, it has not worked. Perhaps those reasons, finding Sichirache, Nchitokonya go to Motua, Inkitora, to my Gotuara, a lasting solution as a Obomo, Womogusi, no.
So does it meaning andake ekia makirigia the late Nyachagia for the people ngia korete buya? Does it meaning engane igabara ibago tebanga ngo chibare korenta andake kia makiabo ngechikunya akabake korenta a solution because you might have antabanga sana ngo barenga okay muabe to kwana igo obomo bumusi mbura work but now abara inande ba chiri ne strategy ende ngago tebanga ntutaite korosi kia magito muno mugusi ekira chikunya akabake gutu sugumana into tonyore ngantu buate ngo negotiatore at the top of the Birogo Binde Vinanako Chimutu.
I may want to have a discussion now whoever was spearhead yo mo Obama Bomogusi for a simple reason. Mobolinki Obama Bua Omo Gusi, Bua Ferreti, and Gaki Anyachai. Ingibua Ferreti 2016 and Gaki Chris Obure. Ingibua Ferreti in between Gatiabu 2021, there were attempts Nabintovinde, Waverbo fail. My own guess could be Obokora. Abantobago spearhead, stewards, they could be the wrong people. Perhaps we need to change strategy to a team now. And my proposal will be we identify ourselves with the problems or challenges to buate bunomogusi. Jitore on the table to answer to solve those problems. Abantobago guabarai. They come in as possible solutions. Because enablers, Bave Oboraro, Buamachivu. Problem which it would be so easy. In essence, what I'm saying, if they can be able to do bainse ko kora egasi ya wengi ya yo kora governance no ene constituency omuntu akora egasi rightfully achorera at the constituency level challenges chire asaba nanchi baite chigokea usechiere at the county level if a governor is able to govern so well allocate resources buya chikata cross ntokonyora complaints chipara chirosiwe both at the constituency level a role yo mojumbe a role ya senator oversight buye governor kole gasi yae some of those challenges or issues toko tebanga na chichi kogera to tuare obomo bomo gusi chikorokana in essence what I'm saying to inse go solve all the problems abara ibaito badai go solve muna rokana ine we to inse go chi solve because bangire bainse ko ikaranza bakole gasi ya uneta ke those challenges and problems abana inchi babuate chiko ba solve what I'm saying if our leaders could work egasi ya uneta ke there is no need yoko liyo morem go solve bomo no need at all because perhaps chisababu toko liyo bomo gusi no go develop our localities. We have a person who is on the seat. He is a governor. He is a senator. He is a member of county assembly. He is a member of parliament. She's a woman rep. What do you expect here? Anza ko minyoka round kisi nyamiranga no bomo gusi yakoli what for when your role is cut clear kyota gerokora kwangiul they have simply abdicated their roles. They have become clueless. They have become rudderless. They don't know their job. Ntu abatomete bachikoligi obomo bomo gusi yotu abatomete batokorega asi clearly buna a constitution yakoteba. Most of them maybe they don't know what their role is.
Gabange mama itero ya bakolende ne to kwira na sense mege county ya Kisii. Morembo burire sana. Especially as amat kabongo igan rolling differences singo chiri chia toka sana gento kia veteke kwirira no ane getie kiga kia sunikan kiaro sigwa ke propose kairunga kegendo chiari nyangusu kia bororo but now these leaders have abanyene na bunando konyoranga bagu ikabacha kumana barubo kabanyene no na semisangera kono ya siasa konyoranga entuarigeria of late bwango iga Moske Richard Munyonka na mo governor Moske Simbarati bakurutena sana mangana sensemeria ya bonchal chinga chukomweni Moske opore engane iganja rete dibirera sana iguru ya mangana igegiti ya suneka ekoro Moske Nyonka enkwana ya nginyo tate betenga bachiete bati nere bwe komonye no teneta gatebanga egetie kigia suneka yakore kerosiku the same thing amu governor gatebanga county serikali ya county ya Kisii taliere korosia mangana igaye bitibi chindege ikuru from the national government now differences chigenda kunya kapachikwana kigwa nabono iga there are some projects kire still in Kisii county tiranya kapachigwikirana nenya kapagekwana kinga omorembo iga togenda kunya kapatukoreria say county ya Kisii each and every time go chamo nenya kapakwana kinga
biamono politics is a game of interest. It cuts across and it's of course the art of the possible kende gions naboge konyarekana na bako minyokanialie tiriri but it is their own interest na tegarete mosike mosenata momoima bunare kokwana at the level of president abantu bali bagokwana na abandi bali batayikokwana so you may not expect an MCA akwana the forum that big ye president because I saw him dismissing my MCA Ombati inga yangwa kwana perhaps that what an opportunity ayakwa the opportunity ikiwa kwana ekegwa kwana ma tachi ko to tebye ekera kana tegetie ekyo nkegenda ngia tikete kogenda so what does it tell you igono wena ebirenge bya ombia tegeretu ayomo senator at the level ya senator counting ma ogakana geti nkegenda lakini gekagenda what do you expect of an MCA
tawate uwezo wo wikerana no kwana leni
so rende squarely as a senator to ko ganyama tanga yo muziko pore abe umanyagoja kokwana nga egetie ekyo njekero kiara ko gana na kane tenkike kaba there is a way a recognize civil disobedience ate abenga egetie ke nketa kerika kende iko achate yaba nanchi tali matanga bonjali yako banyache kokwano it is an issue erobe iro mojumbe 3 times this is actually over senator baso it could be the 4th term in the National Assembly obere ga kobo egetie kinake wede yasune ka airstrip. What has he been saying? What is his opinion? Ekara abeto mojumbe litangan elia kabere elia gatoto paka bonale senatanga e president yete ko keira na lia kokan. Let's come to the governor.
Yes.
A governor is managing a lot of resources at the county level. perhaps is a new governor, tabuga the experience kimo okyo kabo governor, he needs to consult widely. Sometimes ingo take your time omanya gokora ebintu bitakere gokorwa, which is very normal. No onekero wanze gazi yomoralia mwanzo ngo twarore teething problems challenges inchiro 2010 constitution bali basoeta batangani baanze to implement it had its fair share of challenges. What I can say, a governor is trying, but he needs to pull up his socks a little bit fast, because when pressure is mounting, the focus is on him. In as much as Momo Imara to his own interest, because I heard what the response was, because the governor said, some of the friends of the governor, abago supply mbeo KTRS, and now wako mozumanga, ako mogavana tuakane. This is politics. It could be true or it could not. But the truth is, both the leaders, batake irebasa abo mwananchi across board, but recorded differences in the open. What is the big deal? Momoima na Simba, because they work together, they're in the same party. Or Ikaranza, now their own differences, if they are personal, if indeed they are there, rather than playing to the gallery. If they unite at the boardroom level, whatever, as eba Ikaranza to Wakaiwana, and a Wako Mogavana, and a Wako Senator, Tigana in the Bagando, by one and Abon, and a senator, Negavan, allow Tigatu allow each other, Bakole, Egas during this period to Mayagopi Mana 2027.
But irende ngose minating abono differences chigango chireko miso mwananchi kawaida yako some development chiro konyoranga mugava na begete ko chimuno ko konyoranga already era monyene bono because of disappointments chiganda to kone kigwa mangana ye sege chiga cheke siasa ngo chire ya irani no ane mangana magendro sana magega kulinto kurana se county nyamira na averike go to some the same challenges because my take wa solve kurwa se county ya Kisii abara ya baiga bachiramo baigwana ni kurunyamira bacha baigwanane bono baumira negative batebe nga bono tutwachire amo twatigire mangana iga differences cia siasa kitu twachibekire kando bono tokora magendero elinde tone kinga omugusi kero mate kwa mukorera magendero bono riyo tenga banta bakore kiki bachira amo batu unite. But now Nyamira County we have a very big problem.
It is very normal. County governments were bound to have problems. The clamor for the change of the constitution, the regime ya Moi no Chimaega, there was a feeling in Kenya teraba ripe because teraba tayari for the change of the constitution. So even to begin they are very normal. As some of those things have been sorted. What I can say, abarai baito ekaroba go chorwa a process ba kwanda go chorwa igere so emotive yani ebuat challenges chinyinge korwalia bone pake kero munda go chago tebanga ekinagina akarwani bakana ikira perhaps ebirenge nende bya change buna bono expectations ya ba MCA okonyole chiarenge totally different ekaroba akoboria paka bono basoire kwa makonyoranga na expected yo moshara gete na expected allowance gete na expected ingo genda na kwa ne bintu bya kora onyorange tofauti nero ekaroko so serikali also even minister even at the county level chief officer at the county level no nya national government ntobwa the procedures ntobwa the bureaucracies again totally mwago kwa nange gete ya kora there are procedures and processes even devie karo biko korwa biko buati bureaucracy go se procedure you processing eke go kageta asegete ka public participation yabanga ne merondi abantu bamanya go lyo mora yore kerogo badanga you go be the problem ba go yes the first regime ya Nyamira County Assembly we had a speaker the speaker they call it tamu ya we've had issues unechi so it is very normal but there's a way leaders watakere ku manage. We have a problem na leadership perhaps moving forward, and I know the program leadership training and orientation a lot happens. Is high time to a training na orientation in the chambers. About the Machinani, about the Matanga. There is a need to review whatever. But again, let's manage our expectations. That is where the problem
today
is.
I had Senator Kwe County Nyamira almost came Okongo mugeni ogukwanira iguru ng'abono ase ikeire ekigane chingaki omugabana we county Nyamira Muskamus kumunyaribo abwenete korenta abarayibonsi amona koikerania amagendero kurende differences ichiga omugabana Muskanyaribo mbali korana no bosia sobosio amono mokonyi b'umugambana umuske Dr. Gesami mbali kurigerania amono mo senator umuske Okongo yani yaberenga e county ya Nyamira kero monta agwetachira which means inga onye county ya Nyamira yoke tarachamo nyakabage ko gosabara ya ba unite babamo county ya Nyamira ne chikuna kwenda
there's a reason are you already subject in question nor accused to konyara kweganya na no muntu accused my call in eringa ntobuade other leaders in different cadres ntobuade clergy ntobuade abagaka ntobuade bato basikire within the county ya Nyamira baraire bakora bintu bere betato is high time abagaka abu wherever bare clergy kanisa eteme kogayana erete omoremba among the leaders. It is very normal. Some of them could be thinking it's a year never coin lakini yako basaleli more kobwabune ko bakonya. There was a similar problem ya bata in Makueni. I think it was 2017 or 2013 to 2017. Akare governor Kivuta Kibwana Alengo. A county government of Makueni ekaba ni governable. The only option ya tigarete no ko genda as a president a change a state as a county a manage guna national government. About the only option in Elinga no nye moi ko we genda ko genda kare. They had to agree biranga bigachamo. There could be a way. Our Raiba Nyamira sometimes when push comes to shove, action must be taken. Yani, the leadership in Nyamira, beyond toward the clergy, toward the bagaka, toward the other professionals who can talk to some of those leaders about the rangos, so that they sit and agree. And you will tell me, a problem about somebody wants to be the governor, on the narrow the deputy governor, on the narrow the deputy governor, again to get, you know, all those are the interests you organize individual, sorted so easy. Seemingly there's a problem in Nyamira, there's a way, there must be a way.
Narege ko bodi ya sana asenseme yobo mo mugusi nga asabo mo mugusi muulize what can he offer better than what we saw the unity of our MPs. Kinki kira nyaka bage kone kinga kiabeire yani kwa ligiriria kira nyaka bage kone kigwa apart from okomera no kuga kwa bajumba so mucho Nairobi na ukwanda igoro bo mubumuksi
abarai bachorire na badate ko chorwa babe participants ba abantu bagospia area bomo for that reason abona botoko nyora this math right esabwe nabo ntego toita lakini akaro bakoronga na bagospia ahead we lose it before we even begin. That is the problem.
Now, going forward, ko era banta bangi sana kubuli baringa tuwabe to kuligiria mangana igayo bomo sana kurwa se county ya Kisii county Nyamira barayo nyambari go chamo barabuga banyene ono mugusio mwananchi kawaida renkiara korengo sena ngamna ani yago sumu go chimu nabo sako genda abuno wako genda going forward now because tuwabe to kuligiria ba igoro ya obomo buiga kurwa samat kamaega abarai bachire bagoteba yere 1 2 3 lakini kerenga kiyo murai achire gose mo president yego jo sumurayo monna gocha aliko gwata bakorangere mikutano nga bono twabira bagusito chamo to kichagise to tige to chamo so again take kiragendera igamba kalireri because kina kiyo mugusi yako guringa mbakalireri eriga toranya ko batokone kinga enga kiyo murai kerago cho murayo monene ali to konyora engane ige inkwana yobu munako genda iga osoro mwako ndo gose kinga kiara cho osoro mwako gocha nana liyo kunga bagusiba on to chamo
tinda ejito lose hope there is still hope omorambe na I mean a solution na beko nyorwa omorambo yokoligi kukosoba mu bo mugusiba okoligo na bo gocha otura change a strategy a little bit tore ekigetara work boneke kuchimuina na boke konyarekana abantu baito badaite ko remain stuck enjira tu akabeire to kokora ebintu enjira tu abeire to ko suguma e agenda ye no bali mbara change nothing much has changed bali where people think as abantu bakolenga solution teyo no solution here. I can guarantee you within themselves they can easily get a solution etali omorembo yubweka long-lasting solution to major problems, including amagandra toko kwa na mashinani. Among themselves, these things we've been doing them. We need among ourselves to caucus, ascend to tueka, to agiringa, nin to karebobe. You could be thinking na yo lebuya, kwanyoranga, na yo very wrong. What a problem. So among themselves, but go champion there must be something wrong, which is terribly wrong. We need to get a solution. Take off may not be smooth. Na bego jagotuare problem. Nende kare awe ikawa no na mogo itana yuka. One opponent na waka ronyo an opportunity to hit you. Mofedire.
So minatinga abagusi abaraya bika kwanza litanga na babonete gocha kwa gocha first priority bakwa ndigoro yabo mubumu gusi arafa bananchi bamagocha.
Tikabacha nonye even in their own constituencies. Babo olia bananchi wherever forums. Babo oli motagete to championi oba mubumu gusi. Ngaki motagete tobakole. Abantu barangerigo umu wakilishi bw'abasai abangina abagaka barwa maoni abantu bagocha no 5 young people women was 5 abagaka was 10 batebenga mwabere mo kole genteke njireyeriga mwale kora change yake
the other way
round tore go sentonyo solution
na ikego koboringa ki ine ayo monyene. Are you comfortable with the ODM and UDA dominating in Gusiland? What advice can you give to asa mangana igayo connecting ODM na UDA ekore ina na bera arete some differences kyoko talent abo mobumusi
omorali Kevin abana nje baito mbaiko chora chama for information omorali ole chama ibako chora omorali yogenda on chisera chiayabia gusinto bwade concussion to bwade all manner of parties jiro I want to believe Tobuata Jubilee, Tobuata UDN, Tobuata ODM, Tobuata UPA, you know, zero chance. Omogusi Tabuati Garangere ligere uniform, Garago Choromora, yo Komokonya Mosav. There's a reason as to watch or again Tonkra Amonei, Eseranera Monei Rengia, Nakitoko Tevanga. Twenty-Kotokan Tobuata Baraya. No, so a chame may rise because Vono. Toiko gandoji ko ni chama iko ko gandoji ko ni ebirengere. That is why toko convene ourselves into an agenda ekorokananga ne chama gete korokwa bomo gusi we lose track.
Yes.
Tikato ni issues chikorokunga amagendero amache you know development yechi para na binto binde eyo geto ninga out of the woodwork ya koliru omonto ebono oisanire nendo oretira omolembe terokananga otogo champion yegento getaiyo when the real issues are here. Actually without a candidate was an aspirant there is no need a political party. The same political parties tali eme tali ibere ejireji nyinge sana. Further we have even independent candidates. What does that one tell you? A party may not be the solution. What is the solution? Omonto yogochorwa ngakiare no monto rarete amagendero no monto rarete omolemba out of the good work he or she will be doing on the ground. Tuanza kwe convene mape manga tikato ende chama na binto binde tikebi kora bitolete amo whichever the political party people will decide inga line ya nero toko again.
Andake what is your take aso nseme igo gukorera mangana ikayo bomugusi abagusi abange sana ko baringa ki ine twabe tokorigerera igoro yobo mubomugusi in terms of development twabanye n'abagusi ngote abaringe barense sana asa mangana ya development kia anamono chi county itu akisi ni county Nyamira
naro some members of parliament ba kogenda Kiharu constituency and Ndindi Nyoro. There is something don't get Ndindi Nyoro agora mheshimiwa Ndindi Nyoro agora Kiharu kere tofauti na bantu baitu. We do a lot of benchmarking. Ntwale gotwara into a county aya mabo either Kisii or Nyamira na area go chagoro benchmarking. Na ende mbamanyete. Some of them have gone to counties baroje chiko korabu yebu. What is the problem? Na into ko korabu ya to benchmark we bantu barengi tawakora. When can we have Kiharu constituency eregusi maybe Kisii or Nyamira tonyore ya very close. What I'm telling you, we have a problem with leaders. But I will exercise leadership upuneta keire paspire development growth ye binyorobieito and other places babe ekerore gose ekerorero abantu bande barorerenga oli okorere kuya magenda akorirwa abande bono bamanya kororeranga e constituency geteka asindo chembu ya gokoro abande banze ku emulate. There are places you can mujumba ko chorwa go say 3 times. There's a reason. We need to go and check inki yao kore tofauti na tutota kile tokora. As long as tokonya ko elect, their constituencies jibwa there.
Getembe Television ekionga kya Mwamogusi.
Just a governor will be looking at getting the feel on the ground na issues ichia material on the floor. For the last, I think, 2 weeks, there has been a lot of information ya very go flow round, accusations na bintu binde. He needs to pull up. So perhaps communicate there are things he needs to do in a better way atara. So he needs to work on that. Number 2, Senator, I think nationally is doing well. As we check national government. Perhaps at the county level, he needs to work closely with the MCS. My relationship with the MCS because MCS have primary oversight at that level. We should be seeing him gotara among HMCA because one of our feed information are very crucial. Earlier, oversight at the county level, the subjective was very skewed towards attacking or confronting the sitting governor. The governor Koranga Omondongondwaniara is subjective, is having hatred towards me. Perhaps that could be the thinking. So a governor, a senator, MCA, he has that provision. You can get MCS called the primary oversight. That is why MCS are going to impeach a governor. If you find MCS are doing very well with the governor, then there is something wrong. And the senator is a sideline the P. MCS, but I come on primary oversight. There could be a serious problem in primary oversight. Some information is very crucial at the ward level. You may not get it. Thank you.
Now, what is your final take as Meiga, your Obomobusi, and among Kwana Yamoari, which I say Omogusio, Kurgiriti Mogima, Navoigo, Igoro, Yang and Igayoko, Bekaba Gusiamo, connecting an Avarova Virba when you're regatano and as a Sercarian.
Biamono, Abaraito, as a Ogotemago, Colette Birengario, which is good, it's an idea rengia, Birengaria and Evirenga. Imbuya lakini genda nende moi karanse morengereri ngakira soke buyake moi tune karengererie kia abantu batware birengererie bibake nganga kimo moi mago jane birengererie. It was a week baada ya wiki moja kusamba tukabera tatoiga ekerumo gavana omo senator ayirane bayiranera neti chinkwana chiranera neti amatanga sebere opore mate ikarokananga batwalire problem omolembo bolire korwali. Then after a few days aba bakorokana na bajumbe bale bonse. What does that one tell you? Tuwale ko morana omo governor and both governors could have been there. Maybe a changing go chako bayale nginga kai ndo chano wanye yaburukane tali still these guys are together. So lendo molembo bakoralia okoranga no molembe weke. So among us themselves tikabagende bayikaranze behind the tent barayiguana barayo now there are differences.
Getembe Prime Distributors guba kumanya buna bono iga mbabwate ebintu by'obwagachi aho buna bono chichuma cy'obwagachi chichi company chonse chibirengo byonse chibi PC type chonse chisimiti mbabwate buna bono Rhino na Bambure mbabwate chain link type chonse boigo mbabwate ebintu by'echi bathroom gose bathroom accessories buna bono chisob dish chishawa chitoilets ne chitoilet tap mbabwate chitile ao chichikara ao nebi mbabwate chirangi kora crown paints na dura paints boigo mbabwate machine elia kuburukania yakwa irangi eliotagete mbabwate chimashiro 0790904844 incho Getembe Prime Distributors bwenyorere ebintu biga aserigulirigi.
Getembe Television ekionga kiamamogusi.
Mwanchumuri gwikirabwo bono nigo twaringa sensemeri nkwana ya Getembe aso muskideni sorioki wenyaka bokurwa ebirengerero a igoro yingana yiga yabirege kobogotera obomo bumugusi twabe tukwanira mangana mange sana yarengetenganire buyabaraigo chamo kurwasi county ya Kisii ne county Nyamira munenchiremo yokone kinga babiri bakorenta obomo kulende bagotange kire no muchakano kino mori abuno tukira mori bensemege nkwana ya Getembe kulende nande ndochukunyaka batokone kinga twabe tukwariganira chinkwana chingamne chiga elikone kinga na umugusi kwabiri kumanya mange aligana tukone kigwa kurwasi county to ya Kisii ne county ya Nyamira go ikachinga chinde chenkor kwa Kevin onko bachikora chinsanye ningeno negaiga asensemere keonga chinsanye toskare.
Getembe Television ekionga kiamamogusi.
Twatire kuma maine twatire kuma Keni Uhuru maine otire kuma
Etuka yo womo ya Uhuru Superstores iye gutuke milulu cy'ubusongo iye konya ebintu ao aseli buri bigo kona nk'umubuko nkonya bale ebintu by'obwagachi buna bono amabati kurwasi company ao emesumali y'ekingenjo cyonsi chichuma cy'obwagachi cy'ekingenjo cyonsi chiwaya buna bono binding wires chiwheelbarrow chisimiti cy'obwagachi kurwasi company ao egati y'ebintu